Hi everyone. In today's calculus problem solutions lecture, we will explore identity functions. Understanding this basic type of function will make working with more complex functions much easier for you. For the definition of identity function, an identity function is a function where the output is always the same as the input. Mathematically, f of x equals x for all x elements are. In other words, the function maps every element to itself. For example, if the input of the function identity function is, for example, a, then output will be again a. Now let's come to the examples. First example, let f of x equals x. This is the identity function, and compute f of 5, f of minus 3, and f of 1 over 4. Since f of x is the identity function, f of 5 will be equal to 5, and f of minus 3 will be equal to minus 3, and f of 1 over 4 will be equal to 1 over 4. The next example, verify if f of x equals x satisfies the property f of a plus b equals f of a plus f of b for arbitrary real numbers a and b. Since f of a plus b, since the input of f of a plus b is a plus b, the output will be again a plus b because this is the identity function. And for f of a, the output will be a. For f of b, the output will be b. Then this means that, let's take this here, f of a plus b equals a plus b, and f of a plus f of b equals a plus b. Then those are all equal for all real numbers a and b. And the last example for identity function, let f of x be the identity function, and find f of 1 plus f of 3. Now we need to find f of 1 and f of 3 firstly, and then f of 1 is equal to 1, f of 3 is 3, then this is equal to f of 4. Since f is the identity function, f of 4 will be equal to 4. And this was our last example. See you.